Good morning, everyone. I saw a video yesterday that my husband posted. Yeah, I was saying I did not support him, that I don't have sense. I'm not supporting him, and I don't know what you actually want me to do, but I've been crying non-stop. I don't even know what to ask questions. There are a lot of questions going through my mind. Questions that need answers. I don't know. Do you expect me to embrace you? Like, I only went to see my ex outside. We didn't go to an hotel. Like you said, you put a car tracker in my car. So are you trying to tell me that the car tracker did not tell you where I went to? You know very well that I didn't go to a place that is far. And you said somebody saw me and the person called you. You that put a car tracker in my car. Like, I've been going out and I've been going to places, so you want to tell me that the car tracker did not tell you about all the places that I've been? And there's a car tracker in my car. I went to see my ex in the public, and when you confirmed it, I apologized, because everybody has been criticizing me. Why did I go and see my ex in the first place? Why did I go and see my ex in the first place? I told you right from, like, I don't know if most of you don't watch the videos very well. I don't know if you don't listen. Some of you will just view, the next thing you run, you quickly type, you comment. You don't calm down to watch videos before you comment. And it's very, very bad, because I believe everyone has to, like, try to calm down and watch before you type, before you comment. You don't just type because you feel like, yes, you can insult this person, you can talk to this person anyhow. Like, for crying out loud. You just say things. You don't know what your words are actually doing to somebody. You could just type and say whatever you want to say. I went to see my ex for a business. I don't expect everybody to believe. I do not expect everybody to believe. You understand me? Because now person we're doing your 9 then see. Sure you get. So, like, since I have seen him in the public, my husband videoed, he posted online telling you people that the woman he married is a prostitute. Abby, the woman he married is a hookup girl. The woman he married is a fetish person, which is what he wants to put to all of you. So you guys believe and you've accepted that that is what I am. I'm not saying anybody should not criticize me. I'm not saying anybody should not hate me, but what you know you can't accept, do not do it to somebody. Do not do it to somebody. When you went out to have a meeting with Josephine, I came there out of annoyance. And she called me a mad woman. So it's definitely something that you guys have been telling her, whatever she has been seeing online. That I'm a mad woman. And I had to make it shown to her, like, I had to make it known to her that, yes, truly, I'm a mad woman. I only did what a mad person would have done. So, which is what I did to her. Because now, waiting, she called me now at one. most of you out there talking, you know, you don't know what I've been enduring and facing since I got married to my husband. So almost everybody was saying I was the reason why this matter escalated like this. I was blah, because I was being rude, I was stubborn. It's not my fault, you know. Yeah, at some point we both have faults. So the fact that most people are actually blaming me is just amusing me. We're both at fault. I get. It's not like it's something that was condoned by one person or you know. We both made our mistakes. At first, we brought in a woman, we did a prank, kissing. I brought in your friend to do a prank, which I felt went extreme, and I apologized immediately. Everybody complained. I apologized. It was even from that video that I started apologizing. But still, you still escalated the issue. You escalated the issue. The issue went long. Before we know it, we brought out my ex. Before we know it, you brought out my I thought this, I did that, I shaking it come. I will say the reason why I told her passport. I will say the reason why. But there's a time for everything. I'm still waiting on. I'm waiting for what you want to do next. Your actions will determine what I do and say on the internet. Because you never respected me from day one. If you respected me from day one, all the shit you did, you wouldn't do it. All the things you did, you wouldn't have done it. You would have respected the fact that you're married to somebody. I don't know, maybe you're trying to live your life like someone that is still having a girlfriend and boyfriend, you know. You're married. A man that has insulted his wife, dragged his wife for things that she has apologized for. You still escalated the issue. You still made it go viral. Like, I want to know, what did you gain by spoiling my name? What did you gain? I mean, nobody knew Joy was going to do what she did. I know you were not expecting it. You said it's only once. Only once she came to act with you in your house for days. She was in your bedroom. From your bedroom, she became your manager. And yet, most people are saying it's my fault. Who asked me to leave the house? Your uncle. He asked me to go and give you time, which I did because I wanted peace. And I went to face my business. But you kept on dragging me and dragging me online, even after I gave you space. You kept on making me the bad person. Your uncle requested for the space, and when your uncle did, were you not the one saying, make una carry on her sister come up from my house? I obeyed your instruction and I left. So why are you painting me as a bad person that was the one that made you go ahead and have something with Joy that I left for months? If only you had accepted me back, Do you think this issue would have gone like this? If you had a forgiving heart, do you think what we are facing right now will be facing it? I mean, are you not tired of everything you're going through? Now I know why you were so adamant on not accepting me back. It was because you already have someone else. There's someone that your heart already belongs to. So you decided not to accept. You decided to be very stubborn. Me and you know very well. We know very well what I was going through when I had the miscarriage. Like, why would you bring up the fact that I had a miscarriage to insult me because someone else got pregnant for you? And you're telling me I'm supposed to be calm with you. I'm supposed to be calm with you. I'm supposed to call you down. I'm not supposed to post it online. I'm not supposed to talk. I'm supposed to keep quiet. So when you came home, you were expecting that I'm going to hug you, babe. What's up? What happened? Can you explain to me? Is that what you want? You have killed me emotionally, mentally, physically. You have finished me. Because I don't know what to do again. You have finished me. Like, you've made me someone else. Like, sometimes I look at myself and I ask myself, is this me? I was stubborn. I was abusive because of what you were doing. I insulted your friends because you did not respect me. And it's because you disrespected me in front of them. Even if I'm not in front of them, I'm sure you guys have said a lot of things. For your friend to be able to say I am an hookup babe from the very first day he saw me. And you guys expect me to respect that person because they are famous and they are rich. It's not making sense. Like, a lot of you are supposed to see from my point of view. Some of you are married out there. A lot of you are married out there, and I know some people are even facing something worse than what I'm facing right now. Or some of you say your wives do more than what I'm doing, but you never posted it online. Or my husband did. And his friends keep giving him the wrong advice. And now you're blaming Joy. I mean, you were the one that posted everything I was doing online, so definitely she believes you have enough money to give to her. So what do you think? She will just zip her mouth? No, no. I mean, you're not the first person to pregnant a woman. You're not. She only came for what she already said it. She knows the father of her child is capable. So the only thing I want right now is an explanation. I am not fighting with you. I was only angry when you came that day because you were not remorseful. Unlike the way I was always remorseful when I get you angry, you were not remorseful, and it shows that your feelings for me has died. I gave you peace from the very beginning, but you didn't give me peace. You didn't give me peace of mind. Instead, you wanted to run me mad. Even though I knew most of the times you were wrong, I had a reason for destroying everything I've destroyed. But still, I was thinking you were going to try and think, where did I offend this girl for her to go mad like this? But you were not thinking, you didn't want to use your head. I'm not fighting with you. I want you to come back home. Let's talk, if that's what you want. Let's talk and you tell me what your solution will be, what you want to do with Joy. I want to know, as your wife. Do you understand? You get? I won't drag this issue further, but if you still want to drag it further, then we would. I just need an explanation because I'm tired of crying, I'm tired of shouting, I'm tired of sitting, crying, thinking of what to do next.